How do you approach workplace strategy?
For me, like workplace strategy is always starting from the client and the needs.
When does a person approach you? When do they come to you? And then how do you step through a project with them?
So it could be, of course, that there is a lease agreement that is ending, or that the workplace is not anymore fitted for the needs, or maybe it's that it's hard to get get the employees to want to come to the office, or maybe, and this is also a lot of times we really don't get the collaboration, the communication, the kind of culture we want to have in the office or the workplace. So it can be different kinds of pains that the organization has and wants to, sees that the workplace can actually help with that. And what we always do is to start with analyzing as is through different kind of ways and trying to make it as data-based as possible. Interviewing the leadership team in the strategy phase. Most often I work towards the leadership team. So really understanding how the workplace can support that organization and business strategically for what the organization is aiming for and what's working, what's not working, to do that on a very strategic level. But then, of course, quite often having a survey to get input from employees. And not always asking exactly what do you want, but more looking at the needs and behaviors and tasks and what's working well and not working well and how does the collaboration look like and so on. Of course, looking at the current premises and locations, workplaces, and with our experience, seeing what could be potential or developed further. Quite often also some kind of utilization studies. How are we actually using the space? And all of this then gives us a very good understanding of, okay, this is how it's working today and these are our needs. And after that, we often have an inspirational phase where we'll try to look more into what could be possible. What are others doing? What are the trends? Maybe visiting some clients. In that process, in the pre-study needs analysis, we quite often see the potential, but we also look very much in the dialogue with the leadership team. Where is the maturity? Are there also maybe other changes that are going on? So what could be possible right now? So maybe we cannot reach always to the potential that is out there for that organization, but maybe we need to take this first step and then start building from that, starting the journey.